Hello there, Internet world. My name is Rene Jones with Total Logistics Solutions. In honor of Black History Month, today I'm going to talk to you about George Grant. George Grant was an African-American dentist, academic, and inventor. He was born in 1846 in New York to former slaves. When he was 15 years old, he was hired by a local dentist named Dr. Albert Smith as an errand boy. Dr. Smith soon promoted him to lab assistant and encouraged him to pursue a career in dentistry. In 1868, he and Robert Tanner Freeman became the first blacks to enroll in Harvard Dental School. After receiving his degree in 1870, he became the first African American faculty member at Harvard. Grant was an avid golfer, and in 1899, being frustrated with having to put mounds of dirt or sand together so he could tee off, he invented the golf tee, which was whittled from wood and capped with latex resin used for root canals. Grant died in 1910 from liver disease. Hopefully you enjoyed this, along with the other videos that I post about different African Americans and their contributions. The only way this contributed to the supply chain and logistics industry is through the deals that are made on the golf course. My name is Rene Jones. I'm with Total Logistics Solutions. You can visit us on the web and see these videos, or this video and other ones, at logisticsociety.com. And don't forget, give the video a thumbs up, leave us a comment on the page, and hopefully you'll help us grow the page. And I'll see you the next time.